Hello students, welcome to class 4th Max lesson number 1 looking back revision introduction. Today we are going to see following topics: standard form, write greater than or equal to sign, ascending order and place value. So our first topic is standard form. So what is standard form? If expanded form of a number is given, it can be written in the standard or short form. So we can call standard form or short form as shown below. So for example, 8000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. This is the expanded form. So we have to write for the standard form or short form. So how we will write? First we have to see in ones place which digit is there. Yes, 5. So we will write in ones place 5. Then in tens place which digit is there? 30. So in tens place we will write 3. In hundreds place which digit is there? 200. So in hundreds place we will write 2. In thousands place which digit is there? 8000. So we will write in thousand place 8. So our answer is 8235. Our next topic is write greater than or equal to sign. So if both the numerals have the same number of digits, then we compare them by comparing the digits at highest place value and then moving from left to right to the next lower place value. So for example, so first we will read the number 8456 and 4562. Here highest place value is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So thousand is the highest place value, and same way here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here also the highest place value is thousand. In highest place value which digit is there? 8. In this number highest place value which digit is there? In thousands place, that is 4. So now we will compare between 8 and 4. So which one is greatest? Yes, 8. Okay, so we will know 8456 is greater than 4562. So we will write greater than sign. Now next example. See here first we have to see in this number all equal digits are there. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So how many digits are there? 4, and highest place value is 1000. So we will read the digit 2345. Same way here. How many digits are there? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4 digits and highest place value is 1000. So we will read the digit 2389. So now first we will compare the number in thousands place digit, that is highest place value. So which digit is there here? 2. And same way in this number which digit is there in thousands place? Here also 2. So both are same. So now we will move to next lower place value, means from left to right. So now we will move to hundreds place digit. Here which digit is there? 3. And same way here also which digit is there? 3. Okay, here also both are same. So now next we will move to lower place value, that is tens place digit. Here which digit is there? 4. And here which digit is there? 8. So here both are different. So now we can compare the number between 4 and 8. Which one is greater? Yes, 8. Okay. So 2389 is greater than 2345. So we will write sign. Okay. So this way we have to write greater than or equal to sign. Okay. So now next topic is ascending order. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, what is ascending order? Means we have to arrange the number smallest to largest. See, for example, number 1, 3456, 8439, 6539, 5438. Okay, in all numbers how many digits are there? All 4 4 4 4. So here all highest place value is 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Okay, so now we have to compare the highest place value digits of in all number. So in first number the highest place value is, which digit is there in thousands place? That is 3. In second number in thousands place, which digit is there? 8. In third number in thousands place, which digit is there? 6. In fourth number in thousands place, which digit is there? 5. So now we will compare between 3, 8, 6, 5. Which one is smallest? We have to write a ascending order. So first we will write smallest. So from smallest to we will move to greatest. Okay, so which one is smallest? So that is 3. So first we will write 3456. So our answer is, first we will write 3456. Now we will compare between these three numbers. Okay, so now in here in thousands place, which digit is there? 8. In second number, which digit is there in thousands place? 6. And in third, which digit is there? 5. So between 8, 6, 5, which one is the smallest? Yes, 5. So we will write here 5438. Now we will compare between 8439 and 6539. So in thousands place, which digit is there? 8. And in second number, which digit is there? 6. So between 8 and 6, which one is smallest? 6. So we will write 6539. And at last, which number is left? 8439. So that we will write at last. Okay, so this way we have to arrange smallest to largest. Now next topic is place value. So what is place value? So place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position, the number. Okay, according to its position, we can able to write its place value of the digits. So see, for example, so here 1489. So we have to write in 1489 the place value of 4 is. So we have to find the place value of 4. So first we will write this number in place value according to their position. So 9 is in the place of ones, then 8 is in the place of tens, then 4 is in the place of hundreds, and 1 is in the place of thousand. Okay, so we have to write like this way, then we have to find the place value of 4. Now what is the position of 4? That is in the place of 100. So we will write the place value of 4 is 400. Okay, so this way we have to write place value. Okay children, I hope you understood. Thank you.